Is this you? Do you want to look like this? Stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to show you how you can style your hair and take it from this to amazing. Right, first things first, if you want to look awesome, you want to have a great hairstyle, first thing I recommend is don't use a towel to overly dry your head. Using the towel on the wet hair is going to damage your hair. So I can recommend only use the towel to pat dry your hair, but do not do this with the towel. That is going to mess up your hairstyle. Alright guys, now that's out of the way, let's get into it. First thing, I'm going to go in with some argan oil, some pre-styler, some heat protectant. This is going to keep your hair soft, luscious amazingness. So let's get in, don't overdo it, but yeah, rub that together and then apply to the hair. Make sure that you're not applying to the tips of the hair, but you're going deep in there, going into the base of the head. Evenly coating the hair throughout. Right. So we're going to be using a blow dryer to achieve this hairstyle. Amongst the brush, rectangular brush, to get that hairstyle. So what you're going to do guys, you're going to need to follow along, and yeah, let's do this. Alright, getting into the actual blow drying now. You're going to blow dry from the roots up using the brush. We're doing this on a medium heat setting to achieve the desired style. Doing this on a cool setting won't allow us to actually change our hair shape, and doing this on a too hot heat will end up damaging the hair. So yeah, medium heat, and yeah, just make sure you do it evenly throughout your head. Right, next up, we're going to blow dry in the opposite direction now. This is going to increase that volume. You're just going to blow dry in the opposite direction for a bit. What this does is it makes the hair grow in the opposite way, and it makes it stand up more. So yeah, if you want to get that volume, blow dry in the opposite direction and then blow dry in the desired direction again afterwards. Awesome. Another trick for increased volume is to blow dry your hair upside down. This is gonna increase that volume, give you that voluminous, awesome amazingness. Great. Also just, yeah, blow dry the sides down, making sure everything's neat and tidy. Around the edges, we don't want any awkward short hair standing up. Alright, and then let's just blow dry back in the desired direction using the brush, just to make sure that everything's facing the correct direction and looking awesome. Great. Just gonna finish off with some cold air. This is gonna lock your hairstyle in place. So yeah, always at the end of your blow dry, finish up with some cool air just to finalize the position and just make sure everything's firmly in place. Yeah, great. Alright, there we go, there we have it. The finished look, we got some volume in there. Now you guys can go ahead and apply a finishing product, post styler if you'd like. Personally, I'm gonna leave it like this because I like the natural feel. But if you'd like, you can always go ahead and apply some fiber putty, fiber paste, something similar. It's gonna give your hair some good hold, keeping the texture, but it's not gonna weigh it down and make it too heavy, like a wax or something. So yeah, if you want to do that, go ahead. Personally, I like the natural feel. It's not gonna weigh down too much though, as much as a wax or gel though. But feel free to experiment. And yeah, thanks guys for watching. I hope this helped you out, getting some volume in there, looking amazing. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.